Good morning, kiddios and chickadees. I'm here to give you an update on what we learned yesterday from the Department of Education's ruling. I can't say a lot, and the reason that I can't is because what they said is not necessarily the end of the discussion. So here's how I look at it. I know that we're all frustrated and we want to know what's going on, but think of it like with the legal system. Right? The Supreme Court can make a judgment on a law, and then it's up to the lawyers and the constitutional scholars and whatnot to interpret that decision going forward. So what the DOE did is that they gave us a decision, and now Kingsport has to interpret how that decision is going to work for us. So to that end, Dr. Morehouse is meeting with Dr. Hampton and other people in charge on Monday to figure out what we're doing at KCS moving forward. They're going to communicate things directly. So I know you love seeing this beautiful mug, but you will be getting some sort of phone call or email from them after that meeting on Monday. So sit tight. I hope that you have a wonderful Easter, and I will talk to you soon.